Your new choice for tungsten electrode sharpening has arrived. Simply install and clamp the tungsten electrode with ease. Turn the black handle while keeping the silver casing stationary. No risk of burning your hands. Now, take a look at the results after sharpening the tungsten electrode. If your torch model is compatible, the extracted tungsten electrode collet and handle can be assembled onto your new torch seamlessly. What should we do if the tungsten electrode is already very short? Holding it by hand for grinding is extremely dangerous. Tungsten electrodes conduct heat quickly, making it difficult to clamp using ordinary methods. Try our new tungsten electrode sharpening tool. It perfectly solves the safety issue of grinding short tungsten electrodes. Take another look at the tungsten electrode after sharpening.